Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to purchase and install an eSIM for Vanuatu. This is very simple, so if you want to go and do so, we can do so using the eSIM.app platform. What you can do is open up the description of this video below and open up the first link you're going to see. This is going to take you to the eSIM platform from where we can get started purchasing this eSIM. So what we can do is compare the unlimited plans with the fixed plans. What you want to do is stay by the end of the video, as we are also going to be showing you step by step on how to install it on your phone as well. And here we can compare those plans. So here we have the unlimited data plans and the fixed plans. As you can see, unlimited data is usually going to be the better option, as for similar prices you are going to be getting more data, and unlimited you can never run out. So go ahead and select your plan right here, go to the checkout option and choose your payment method. Once you have made the payment successfully, your eSIM is going to be ready for installation, and now we can get started following the steps right here. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, it's a pretty similar process. For iPhones, right here we're going to open up the eSIM application, go to the eSIM page and tap to install the eSIM, after which you can tap the Add Cellular Plan option. This is going to enable you to follow the on-screen instructions and proceed to the finish step where we can get started with activating it. So on the last step, you're going to turn on these two options right here, called turn on this line and data roaming. That's going to enable you to activate the eSIM. The eSIM can also be installed using the QR code. So by going into your device settings, tapping on cellular and choosing the Add Cellular Plan, you can set up the cellular option using a QR code that's going to look like this. Once you click this button, it's going to enable you to scan the QR code from the eSIM application and install it this way. So if you're an Android, it's a pretty similar process. You're going to open up the eSIM application, go into the help page and click eSIM installation, after which we can click the install button. Once you click the install button, proceed with the rest of the on-screen instructions to go ahead and finish up the installation. And there is also an option to finish it up using a QR code as well by going into your SIM card manager on your device settings, opening up the Add Mobile Plan option and clicking to scan a QR code. And just like this, you can also scan the QR code from the eSIM application, just like on iPhone. And this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go into the description of this video down below, open up the first link you see and get started with purchasing your eSIM today. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so we can see you in the next video.